Adverbs of degree. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to define an adverb of degree, identify adverbs of degree.
Hey Fleck! Hi CZ! I'm having so much fun at this fair. Most of all, I totally enjoyed the ride on this giant wheel. The view from the top is so beautiful. I want to take a ride too. But I have to finish my popcorn first. Zizi, why are you eating your popcorn so quickly? I can't wait to sit on the giant wheel. Come, let's go quickly.
We have just seen Zizi and Fleck speak about the ride on the giant wheel. They used a number of adverbs which we will study in greater detail. Let's begin by first defining adverbs. An adverb is a word that modifies a verb. It tells us more about the verb. For example, Tina sang softly to herself as she finished her work. In this example, the word softly tells us how Tina sang. Softly is an adverb which modifies the verb sang. An adverb can also modify an adjective. For example, the ship was very huge. In this sentence, the word very tells us how huge the ship was. Very is used as an adverb to modify the adjective huge. An adverb can also modify another adverb. For example, Gopal carried the suitcase pretty easily. In this example, the adverb pretty modifies another adverb easily. We have seen what adverbs are. Let us now understand one of the types of adverbs, that is the adverbs of degree. Adverbs that answer the question how much or to what extent are known as adverbs of degree. Let us have a look at the following sentences. The view from the top is very beautiful. Why are you eating the popcorn so quickly? I totally enjoyed the ride. The adverbs of degree in these sentences are highlighted. In the first sentence, the adverb very tells us how beautiful the view was. The adverb very is an adverb of degree which modifies the adjective beautiful. In the second sentence, the adverb so tells us how quickly Zizi is eating the popcorn. The adverb so is an adverb of degree which modifies the adverb quickly. In the third sentence, the adverb totally tells us to what extent Fleck enjoyed his ride. The adverb totally is an adverb of degree and modifies the verb enjoyed. Through these examples, we can summarize that adverbs of degree modify adjectives, verbs, and other adverbs. They tell us about the intensity or degree of an action, an adjective, or another adverb. Some commonly used adverbs of degree are scarcely, almost, quite, nearly, to, extremely, enough, just, hardly. Now, let us understand the placement of adverbs of degree in sentences. Adverbs of degree are usually placed before the adjectives and adverbs they modify and before the main verb. Let us take a look at few examples. The ride was really exciting. In this example, the adverb of degree really is placed before the adjective exciting. The car ran very swiftly. In this example, the adverb of degree very is placed before another adverb swiftly. I almost finished my homework. In this example, the adverb of degree almost is placed before the verb finished.
The ride was really exciting. I totally enjoyed it. Now let's take a ride on the merry-go-round. Hey, I think it's getting late now. Let's go home. Okay. Hey, wait for me. I've almost finished my popcorn. Hurry up, Zizi. Hi, friends. After a very exciting and tiring time at the fair, I am back home and ready to go off to sleep. But before that, let me help you recollect the important points that we have learned in the lesson on adverbs of degree. An adverb is a word that modifies a verb. It tells us more about the verb. An adverb can also modify an adjective and another adverb. Adverbs that answer the question how much or to what extent are known as adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree modify adjectives, verbs, and other adverbs. Adverbs of degree tell us about the intensity or degree of an action, an adjective, or another adverb. Common examples of adverbs of degree are scarcely, almost, quite, nearly, to, extremely, enough, just, hardly. Adverbs of degree are usually placed before the adjective and adverbs they modify and before the main verb.